Hey everybody, I just got done making this video, and when I went to turn the camera off, I realized it was off already. So if this video doesn't seem as spontaneous as one might think it would be, it's because this is take 2 and I'm doing it all over again. I cannot believe that happened. That's the first time this has ever happened, and I'm beside myself. So take 2, here we go. So today I received I feel like I'm in Groundhog Day, the movie. Today I received my Tonic Craft Kit, the new one for the month, they shipped it out yesterday. I got it today because I only live like 15-20 minutes away from them. Not 20 minutes. So, and if the post office cooperates, I get it the next day, which I did today. And it has a new branding box. So if you're familiar with the old one, this is what it looks like. And I mean, I liked all of this, but I could see when I first started getting them, I was confused because, you know, it makes you think that this is everything that's going to come in your box, and it's just a random sampling. So I could see that would have been a little bit confusing, but it's much more simple and streamlined. It doesn't have the monthly curated craft projects prepared exclusively for you. It just says monthly box of craft products. And then the only thing that's the same is the side here where it says Nouveau Tonic and Craft Perfect. And it's in like a two-tone silver and white. You know, it's elegant, it's sleek. I don't know. I actually broke down all my boxes, so I guess it doesn't really make a difference to me what they look like. But the orange did not totally disappear because it is very orange inside. See? It says, hello, we hope you enjoy your craft kit. So this is number 45, and it is the Serendipitous Purse Box. You know, I don't know. When I first saw it, it was like, oh, that's cute, but what am I going to do with a purse? I have one purse from Crafter's Companion, but I'm trying to think outside the box and not think of it as just, it's a purse kit, because there's a lot of little pieces that are interesting that can be used. All right, so here we go again. This time, hopefully, it's working. So the first thing we have is Wild Mulberry Glitter Marker. It's a water-based glitter pen. And then, I don't know why, but there's a polka dot orange pen included. Just a regular writing pen. I don't know if maybe these were promos at one time and they said, hey, let's get rid of them by sticking them in the box. I don't know. So the Nouveau products come in this little silver bag now, paper bag, which I guess is good for the environment. And included in here is Pure Sheen Sequence in Spring Rose, which is a real pretty pinky color. Mica Mist in Midnight Horizon. I can't even talk. And Glimmer Paste in Glacier Blue. And Crystal Drops in Navy Blue, which doesn't look navy to me at all. When I think of navy, I think of dark navy blue. This is not. I mean, it's similar to this, and this is called glacier blue, so I don't know. All right, so then let's look at the paper. Let me get the sheet back out so I can tell you what the colors are. I do like that the papers are now in this folder, which is nice instead of just the manila envelope, because a lot of times mine would get come a little bent. So so it comes with a classic card in denim blue, classic card in Aberrine purple. Not sure if I'm saying that right. A classic card in ballet pink, which is a little bit lighter than that. I think that's so pretty together, the two of them. A smooth card in white with a 300 GSM. Mirror card in Purple Rain, which is kind of like the Sea Sprite, but it's got that dark purple. Hopefully you can see. This is Ice Gray Glacier Specialty card. This is Cobalt Blue Glitter card, which seems to me the same color as this navy blue. So is it cobalt or is it navy? I'm thinking cobalt. Rose Gold Blossom Foiled Craft card. This color threw me off. It's like it doesn't go with anything or match anything. I don't know. But then again, you know, I'm going to reserve judgment because I'm trying to think outside my comfort zone, and this is outside my comfort zone along with all these other colors. So, and then this last one says it's Tropical Nights specialty paper. I'm not sure what is tropical about them. They're circles. And it's kind of that same wine color. So, I don't know. So that's the paper. Let me get this back in here. Hopefully I can get it back in. All right, there we go. So they changed the folders and the binder, which used to be in the craft color. So I like that a lot. I got the orange inside because, gosh, we can't forget that orange. So that's nice. I do like the change in these from being the craft. So this is the main die. It's got two different inserts. You can have the oval with the flowers. This one is kind of a vine one with this kind of fancier. And it looks like you'll have to take and make two of these. This is the bottom, and then it'll go over. Then the next one will go over on this side to make, let me see. So you can see this way. So it goes this way. And then it has a little hole on the top here where they've put the little dog tag like chain. So that's the main, and then these inserts I'll drop in here, or you can use them in here. And these say, best wishes, maybe just for you, thanks, maybe happy birthday, I don't know. You know, I can't read these. With love and for you. And then these little pieces, well, you can use to add decorations into these spaces here. And then the stamps say thank you, love, best wishes, lots of love, special day. And these go with this die here. And then these will go here with these to make the little tags. So those are cute. And then of course it comes with a little name sticker, serendipitous purse box. And like I said, I don't know that I would make a purse, maybe once or twice, but you can use all the different pieces to make a card. In fact, in one of these things, I think this one, it shows a card. They bunted the two pieces top to top. So yeah, so that's that. So I think it's not one of my favorite boxes. I think it's a little light on product. Kind of think the pin was like an afterthought. I don't know. Some of them have a lot more product than this in them. I'm thinking that maybe they spent more time trying to get the branding done and the difference in the, you know, all the different folders and packaging, and then they spent more time on that than anything else. But most of their boxes are so full of so much product, you can't complain. I did notice in here, I also got a little flyer for their birthday week, and that starts August 26th through, July 26th to August 1st. And if you're a club member, instead of the normal 10% off, you'll get 20% off. And it says free gift. It looks like a keychain, limited edition stencils, brand new Nouveau products, new dies and stamps. Look what's coming. And it says official Tonic. It looks like it's some sort of a magazine, but not their Tonic magazine. I don't know. It says subscribers receive 20% off of the store during birthday week. Excludes the tangerine machine. So if you're thinking about signing up, now would be a good time because you'd be able to use that 20%. If you don't like it, you can cancel. As far as the brand new Nouveau products, I notice one of the things on this side is Nouveau Chalk Mousse. And it says, adds a soft dimension details to your craft projects. I think that is new. I don't think I've seen chalk mousse before. And this says aroma drops. Yep, aroma drops. So I don't know. I don't know what that is. But that starts July 26th. So, yeah, so that's it. So if you have gotten your kit, or if you're going to get your kit, when you do, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the kit as opposed to the more recent ones. and what you're planning on doing with it. You know, when we get products, sometimes, you know, you kind of blind to seeing something different, and like, you know, I'm trying to work outside the box, but it's hard for me. But the more you have something and you work with it, the more ideas come. And when you see other people's work, then sometimes that sparks, you know, more creativity. So that's it. Box number, craft kit number 45. As always, thank you for taking the time to watch. If you subscribe, thank you so much. If you're thinking about it, please do, if you're so inclined. If you like the video, please hit the like button. I appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hopefully this one gets all the way through and we don't have to do a take 3. That was just so crazy. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, so in the meantime, stay healthy and well. Happy crafting, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.